flashing around vents, that's a common problem. And you can see here, the roof was done and this tar is breaking away from the, okay? So what I do is I use a turbo poly seal and I just easy fix. If you find something like that, it's an easy fix. Okay, just put that, put a fleece, fleece like that. Probably gotta cut this shortly, and that's it. And the flashing is sealed. And you can see cracked away there. Okay, just like that. And you put your fleece around it and you're done. Look at that. This is how easy it is to fix flashing around vents. Very easy to fix flashing and leaks around on a flat roof. Just use turbo poly seal. Alright, see you in the next video.